everyone, welcome to Eat Cooking. I just came back from the gym. Oh, I'm so hungry right now. I'm so tired also. I'm thinking of making an easy meal. How about a chicken fried rice? Yeah, I think chicken fried rice will be better. Okay, I will show you how to cook chicken fried rice. First thing, I will show you the ingredient. For the sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, oil, white pepper, egg, garlic, rice, chicken, onion, tomato, and last one is Chinese broccoli. Oil, garlic, chicken, for the meat, today I use the chicken, but you can use another meat, whatever you like. Example is shrimp. It's really good with fried rice also. Put egg in there. Oh, hungry. And rice. I recommend for the rice, whole rice is better. If you use the new rice, it will wet, right? Yeah. If you need the rice a little bit dry, like a fried rice, you should use the old rice. You can put your rice in the refrigerator before you take it out for the stir fry. Very good right now. Put spicy sauce, soy sauce, sugar, onion, Chinese broccoli, tomato, white pepper, okay, finish it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.